Hey there, there's a new latest HubSpot update which has been anticipated by enterprise users in sales and service hubs. Now, what is this? This is conditional form to URL routing. Now, with the power of conditional form to URL routing, which is live for a lot of users, you can take your customer engagement to the next level. So let's take a deeper look on how is this possible. Now imagine the possibilities. You would be able to direct prospects from London to your UK services pages with ease, and you simply just have to select the condition, add the URL, hit update, and this thing would be live.
So guys, in order to enable the conditional form to URL routing, you need to enable it in HubSpot features because right now this is in beta. So in order to do this, firstly log into your HubSpot account, then click on the HubSpot account name on the top right. Here, click on product updates. Once you have done this, in the update section, search for the feature that you want to enable, conditional form to URL routing. So we have already enabled this and it's live on our system. So this was last updated on 29th January. In case someone does not have access to this one as it's still in beta, you can just go over here and enable it. And now let's delve deeper into how it affects your experience. So guys, in order to access this feature, what you need to do is inside the new navigation in HubSpot, click on marketing, then go to forms. Once you are inside the form section, click on maybe create a new form or maybe click on a form that you already have. Once you do this, edit your form. Now earlier there were different types of options, like for example, previously, automation allowed you to direct prospects to a scheduling page based on the information that they had entered. But right now, things are a little bit more better because now the user can be redirected to a HubSpot URL or even a custom URL of your choice. So for example, this is my form. Right now, there is not too much inside my form. Maybe I enter a few more details that I need from the person. Yes, absolutely. I need your mobile phone number. Yes, I also need your company name. And please tell me the name of your spouse as well. No, that's not something that we need, but it's all okay. But what has changed over here is that when you click on options, so now that you click on options, earlier there was only the scheduling page thing which was available, but now you can conditionally redirect the person to a scheduling page, HubSpot page or external URL. For example, if I choose the condition that if the email is known and I redirect the person to a scheduling page, but no, maybe I want to do something else. Maybe I want to redirect this person to a HubSpot page wherein I can select a different HubSpot page that I have inside my HubSpot account for my website. And apart from this, I can also redirect the person to an external URL as well. For example, maybe I just want them to visit our website. So I can do that as well right now, and that's something that's beautiful. So these are all of the new options that are available right now. Once this is done, you click on update and review and publish the changes. And yes, it's good to go. This level of personalization ensures a seamless experience for your prospects, which ensures that they would remember your brand for a very long period of time. In case you are running into any issues or troubles while building the dream project of yours, do let us know in the comment section below or feel free to reach out to us for a free one-on-one consultation call, which is accessible via the QR code on the screen in front of you or via the link in the pinned comment below. And I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Do let me know what do you think about this new feature.